Okay, students, today we're going to go through review 4 from the workbook page 171 to 174. Okay, now for the first question, it's just a simple division. Okay, there's no remainder. So when you divide this number, you should get 16. Okay, so actually the answer is number 2, which is 16. Please work it out yourself. Now for question number 2, they're asking you for the remainder, okay, not the quotient. So please take note when you take 979, and you also have to do your working no matter what, even if this is just a MCQ. Okay, so when you work it out, you will see that actually, okay, I'm just going to work it out very quickly. Okay, okay, you should get a remainder of 6. So it's option number 2. And now for question number 3, they are asking you for the quotient. Okay, this one is asking you for the quotient. Okay, so if you work it out, you find that the answer is actually 4. Please do your working yourself. Okay, now for these two questions, I'll provide you with the answers, but I'm going to draw the model for you. Okay, Lionel bought a pair of soccer boots for $68 and a pair of shorts for $29. He gave the cashier $100. Okay, so if you look at it carefully, okay, the cashier received $100. This is the given total. Okay, soccer boots, $68, shorts, 29, and the change is this one over here. So it's a simple minus problem. And again, for question number 5, this is just a simple division, but if you look at all the numbers over here, they are all divisible by 3. So 696 divided by 3, you can use mental sum to do, and you get 232, which is option number 3. Okay, let's go on to the word problems. Okay, I'm going to go through every single word problem in this worksheet. That's why I'm moving a bit fast. So just pay attention. Okay, now when a number is divided by 5, now we have seen this question many times, okay? So this is not new to you. It's divided by 5. It has a remainder of 4. Okay, remainder of 4. Okay. What is the number? Sorry, the number is between 35 and 40. What is this number? Okay, so what I usually like to do for this is I like to list out everything first, okay? So between. Okay, so that means 35 and 40 are not included. Okay, so the numbers are 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, so let's think of which is the factor of 5, or sorry, the multiple of 5 that is closest to all these numbers. And we realize that actually, right, 7 times 5, I write this at the bottom, 7 times 5 gives you 35. Okay, so this is the multiple of 5 that is closest to all this. So let's just check. If I minus 35 from this, I get a remainder of 1. So this is not correct. If I minus 35 from here, I get a remainder of 2, which is not correct. Remember, we're looking for a remainder of 4. So 38 minus 35, I get a remainder of 3, which is also incorrect. 39, when I minus 35, I get a remainder of 4, which is correct. So actually this number that is between 35 and 40 is actually the number 39. Okay, so the answer is 39. Okay, some of you will actually try to do division, which will not work because it's going to take a lot of effort. It's also possible, some of you will want to do this. You take 36 divided by 5, and then you take 37 divided by 5, and you do this all the way until 39. This will take a lot of effort. But if you understand the relationship between a divisor, a dividend, a remainder, and a quotient, then you'll be able to do this question easily. Okay, let's move on. Now, Matilda had $2,000. She bought a refrigerator which cost $988. How much money did she have left? So I'm going to highlight the keywords very quickly. Okay, Matilda had $2,000. She bought a refrigerator which cost 988. So 2000 is actually a given total. 988 is actually the given part. Okay, so this one is a simple part hole model. Okay, almost like half. Okay, this is the refrigerator. How much did she have left when she spent, sorry, when she had $2,000? Okay, so this one you really have to simply, sorry, coughing. This one you have to actually work it out, okay, by you doing a simple minus. Okay, you can actually do mental sum for some of you, and you will get $1012. Okay, so this is how much she has left. Okay, Aaron bought 32 cans of soft drinks. He planned to drink a can every 2 weeks. Okay, that's quite healthy. That's good. Don't drink soft drinks too often. 32 cans of soft drinks. Drink a can every 2 weeks. How many weeks will he take to finish drinking all the cans of soft drinks? Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot of soft drinks, but he's not drinking it every week. He's drinking one every 2 weeks. Okay, so think of it this way. I'm going to draw a very simple model. Okay, first, one box represents, okay, a can. He takes 2 weeks to finish one can. So the other week, there's a second can, sorry, a second can will take another 2 weeks, so that's 4 weeks in total. And we are not going to draw everything, but we use the dotted line to show that we have drawn 32 cans. So over here, there are 32 cans or 32 units. And each can, this one can, takes 2 weeks. So it's a very simple multiplication. 32 times 2, 64 weeks. Okay, that's more than a year. Okay, so think of it as a grouping concept where one can is a group and in each can there's 2 weeks. Okay, let's move on. Nathan wants to put 720 coins in his coin album. Each page of his coin album can take 9 coins. Each page, huh? How many pages does Nathan need? Now, again, this is the same problem that we did before, where the page can actually have less than 9 uh, coins. Okay, so you don't have to use all the, you don't have to put 9 coins on one page. Okay, you can actually have less than that. Just that you can only put a maximum of 9 coins on the page. Okay, so we have to take 720 divided by 9 first. Okay, to see how it works out. Okay, so 720 divided by 9. We can tell that 72 is divisible by 9, and you get 8. And here is, you bring down the 0, and then just put a 0 on top, because 0 divided by any number, you get a 0. Okay, so you get 80 pages. And this is perfect because now every page is the same number. There's no remainder. Okay, so Nathan needs 80 pages in his album. Okay, let's move on. Question 10. Jasmine wants to make 8 bracelets for her teachers on Teachers' Day. Wow, that's a lot of effort. So 8 bracelets, that's good. She needs 36 beads for each bracelet. How many beads does Jasmine need altogether? So again, grouping concept. I draw 8 boxes. Okay, just very quickly. Okay, each box 36. Okay, sorry, each bracelet 36. And then how many beads in total? Okay, so this one is a multiplication problem. 36 times 8. Okay, you should be able to work it out yourself, and you get 288 beads altogether. Okay, you have to show the working even when you do your corrections. Let's move on. Sean has 9 boxes of 5 toy cars each. Okay, so we highlight the keywords: 9 boxes, 5 toy cars each. Sean's brother has twice as many toy cars as Sean. So the brother has twice as many toy cars as Sean. How many toy cars does Sean's brother have? Okay, so this is the unknown. Okay, we want to find Sean's brother. So we settle Sean first. Sean has 9 boxes, so we draw. Sorry, let me just draw a proper line. Okay, Sean has 9 boxes. I'm just going to draw very small boxes because there's not enough space. Okay, this is Sean. Each box has got 5 toy cars. Okay, how many toy cars does Sean's brother have? So Sean's brother has twice. Okay, this is the brother. Okay, so I'm not going to draw all the 9 units inside, but I'll just show that actually these 2 boxes here are of the same length. Okay, I should actually draw a solid line here. And you want to find the brother. Okay, so we first find how much Sean has. So Sean has 9 boxes of 5, which is 45 toy cars. The brother has got twice, so 2 times 45, you get 90 toy cars. Okay, so this is how much the brother has. Okay, let's move on. Final question. Now a farmer wants to transport 100 cows to another farm. 100 cows. Each truck can carry 7 cows. Again, 7 cows is the maximum. You can put less or you can put none. Or you can even put 1 cow in each truck so you have 100 trucks, but that will be a waste of money and yeah, you just don't, it's not necessary. Okay, he has 10 trucks. How many more does he need? Okay, so let's see this problem and how we can solve it. A lot of you will read from the start, but actually I feel that this is the crucial step. This is the first step we've got to work on. Okay, so we have 10, he has 10 trucks and can carry 7 cows. Okay, that means so far, based on his trucks, he can only transport 70 cows. Okay, so that means, right, out of the 100, only 70 can be transported at this point. That means there are 30 cows that do not have a truck to go into. So how? Okay, these 30 cows, okay, we need another few more trucks, right? So these 30 cows, we see how many trucks we need by dividing by the maximum number of the maximum number of cows that each truck can hold. Okay, so 30 divided by 7. So let's work this out. Okay, so you see, again, this is the same problem we did in the past. Okay, when 30 divided by 7, you get 4 remainder 2. And I'm going to explain to you what this means. Now, 4 is the total number of full trucks. Okay, that means in each of these 4 trucks, there's 7 cows in total, and there are 2 extra cows. These are cows that have to go into another truck. So the 2 extra cows got to go into another truck. So there are 4 full trucks, and there's 1 more truck with only 2 cows. Okay, so you need a total of 5 more trucks to transport the cow. Okay, please do your corrections. Thank you.